does it mean to be African in the diaspora? How do we preserve our culture, navigate our careers, and amplify our voices globally? Welcome to Convos with Chichi, a space where we're going to do all of that and more. Hi everyone! Happy Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, or Sunday. Good morning, evening, afternoon, wherever in the world you're watching this, and welcome to Convos with Chichi. Applause, applause, applause. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Maryclare, or you can call me Chichi, hence Convos with Chichi. This platform is all about amplifying African voices, enterprises, and experiences. Through deep conversations, I'll be sitting down with cultural icons, changemakers, and entrepreneurs who are shaping the face of the African community. We'll talk all about cultural successes, cultural identity, and the stories that need to be told. I don't know about you, but I am big on telling stories. Storytelling is a huge part of our culture. Not only does it tell us where we've been, but also helps us project to where we will be. And this is exactly what I want this space to be. A space we're able to celebrate our humble beginnings, celebrate where we started from, and celebrate where we're going to. I have a bunch of episodes already recorded, ready for you all to sit and digest and enjoy and really enrich your souls, your minds, and your eyes. I'm a huge believer that whatever it is you take in, whatever it is that you see, whatever it is that you hear, and whatever it is that you think, you become. So why don't you fill yourself with inspirational and educational experiences and stories that will encourage you and let you know what it is you can do in this world. So some of the things you can keep an eye out for on Convos with Chichi is first and foremost, my baby. This is my child, Igbo Nwere Mmadu. I am so connected to my culture and I want to share it with you also. We're going to have a series dedicated to amplifying Igbo culture and heritage. But at the same time, we're going to talk about African trailblazers, people who are doing amazing things in the continent and out of the continent and really putting Africa on the map. Yes. And last but not least, we are doing Diaspora Diaries. A little calm, a little chit-chat, just to talk about what it's like to really grow up in the diaspora and how we can make sure we stay connected to our roots, speak about our struggles, and continue to inspire those coming after us. So those are just little nuggets, little pieces here and there of what you can expect. But the truth of the matter is, so far as it's Chichi on the screen, you can expect greatness. Period. If this sounds like a space you need, if this sounds like something you're really interested in, feel free to share with a friend, hit the subscribe button, and let's go on this journey together. I'm so excited to share with you all that I've had so far. I've had really amazing conversations with some heavy hitters. I'm not gonna brag, but we have some really exciting conversations coming your way. If there's anything, I mean anything you guys want to see from me, feel free to let me know. I am doing this for us. I'm really doing this for us because I think mentorship is so important. We have this beautiful gift called social media. While it has its cons sometimes, one of the beautiful pros is that we're able to have access to information that we wouldn't be able to have otherwise, right? So I really want to maximize the experience for you. What topics do you want to hear about? What people do you want to see on here? I really want to make this interactive, so feel free, don't be shy. I'll put my email down below. You can follow me, my personal handles, as well as Convos with Chichi, and let's talk. So feel free to stay tuned with Convos with Chichi on YouTube. We are on Spotify, we're on Apple Podcasts, we're on Instagram, TikTok, we're everywhere. And I cannot wait to see all of the amazing things you will learn on this journey. Alright, till next time.